This snack is a little nostalgic for me. It's something that I would have for afternoon tea. Minimal ingredients, maximum jam donut taste. And it's a bit of a cheat jam donut recipe because I'm going to be using tortilla instead of the actual dough. What you will need is a jaffle maker. So you can see how there's a cavity in each of these. This is what you need so you can get maximum jam into the tortilla. So I've just got some butter, and I'm just going to brush the butter into my jaffle machine. Of course, you can do this in a savoury way too. You could add some baked beans to it, some cheese, whatever you like. It's the classic way. And for the tortillas, now the size is important. You can't have them too small. They need to really overflow like this. See, excess is sitting over there. That's what we want because we don't want it to burst open and the jam go everywhere. So one goes on this side, just press down on it, and another on this side. And then if it overlaps here, that's easy. Just grab some scissors and just give it a little bit of a haircut. Now for the jam, I'm using some raspberry jam. You can use whatever jam you like for this one, and a spoonful in each. Don't overfill them. We just want about a generous teaspoon. Okay, spread that out. That's good. We'll place our next tortilla on top. Again, just trimming that side up. And then on it goes. Okay, I'm going to add some extra butter. And then we're going to close our jaffle machine. Press that down and let the machine do all the work. Now, while they're cooking, we need to have some cinnamon sugar for this. So I've got some caster sugar, and I'll just place that into a bowl along with a good amount of cinnamon, and we'll just give that a stir, ready to go. Now don't get rid of that butter because we're going to need to brush it one more time for all that sugar to stick on to our jam donut jaffle. All right, let's have a look at these. Ooh, they're looking good. And this is why you need a large tortilla when you do this, so they don't break open as they're cooking. Now that jam is going to be so hot inside, so be really careful. Now just to cut these, cut them in half here. And we're just going to trim it just to serve it. Cut that one in half there. Just being really careful not to cut it too much. That one's just right. Then you want to brush it with some more butter on both sides, and then into our delicious cinnamon sugar. Oh, this is so good. And then I'm just going to cut this one in half too. And then trim the excess. Got a little basket here, and we're going to place this one in the basket. And some more cinnamon sugar all over the top for the second one. And like I said, please wait for it to cool down slightly because it's like molten lava. Yum! How good do they look? Hot jam donut, but why not make it with tortillas for a speedy snack? And don't stop at jam. I've done these with some leftover apple compote to make hot apple pies. Ricotta and honey is also another favourite.